Self-reflection. Self-reflection involves introspection and self-awareness. Take time to think about who you are, your values, beliefs, and what you want from life. Consider your past experiences and how they've shaped you. Reflect on your strengths and weaknesses. Set clear goals. Setting clear goals provides direction and motivation. Ensure your goals are specific, clearly defined and unambiguous, measurable. You can track your progress, achievable, realistic and within your reach, relevant, aligned with your values and long-term vision, time-bound, have a deadline for completion. Continuous learning. Lifelong learning is essential for personal growth. Explore various ways to learn, read books and articles on topics that interest you, take courses and workshops to acquire new skills, seek mentors and experts in your field for guidance. Health and wellness. Prioritize your physical and mental health. Exercise regularly to maintain physical fitness and release endorphins. Eat a balanced diet to fuel your body and mind. Get enough sleep for rest and rejuvenation. Manage stress through relaxation techniques. Time management. Efficient time management is key to achieving your goals. Use time management tools like to-do lists, calendars, and productivity apps. Prioritize tasks based on importance and urgency. Eliminate time-wasting activities and distractions. Self-discipline. Self-discipline helps you stay focused and consistent in pursuing your goals. Create daily routines and habits that support your objectives. Stay accountable to yourself and maintain a strong work ethic. Use willpower to resist distractions and temptations. Embrace failure. Failure is a natural part of growth. Learn from your mistakes and setbacks. Analyze what went wrong and how you can improve. View failures as opportunities for growth and resilience. Build resilience. Resilience helps you bounce back from adversity and challenges. Develop coping strategies for dealing with stress and setbacks. Cultivate a positive outlook and the ability to adapt to change. Maintain a support network of friends and family. Surround yourself with positivity. Your environment can significantly impact your personal growth. Surround yourself with supportive and positive individuals who inspire and motivate you. Minimize or eliminate exposure to negative influences, toxic relationships, and pessimism. Self-compassion. Be kind and understanding towards yourself. Avoid self-criticism and harsh self-judgment. Recognize your accomplishments and milestones, no matter how small. Treat yourself with the same empathy and care you offer to others. Give back. Helping others can be a fulfilling part of personal growth. Engage in acts of kindness and community service. Volunteer for causes that resonate with your values. Contributing to the well-being of others can provide a sense of purpose. Find your passion. Discover what truly excites and motivates you. Explore different interests and hobbies. Identify activities that align with your values and bring you joy. Pursue these passions to create a sense of purpose in your life. Adapt and evolve. Life is dynamic, and personal growth involves adapting to change. Continuously assess your goals and values. Be open to new experiences and insights. Adjust your goals and plans as necessary to stay aligned with your evolving self. Seek support. Don't hesitate to seek professional help or counseling if needed. Reach out to therapists or counselors for guidance in challenging times. Talk to friends and family when you need emotional support. Seeking help is a sign of strength and self-awareness. Stay persistent. Personal growth is an ongoing journey. Stay committed to your goals even when faced with obstacles. Understand that results may take time. Consistency and perseverance are essential for achieving lasting improvements. Thanks for watching.